Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G75, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, scroll all the way down to System, and then select Reset Options, and erase all data factory reset. When you do, it presents you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and user data. If you have anything of that sort that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, select Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you'll need to confirm it. And then select Erase All Data second time, which will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, give or take, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.